Welcome to Tonic Studios. It's Thursday. And don't worry, you've not missed it. You're going to join Karen and Leo at 12 o'clock for the brand new Advent Town. Can I just say, this is beautiful. Yeah, you are going to get 68 dies in your collection. This is your die collection, so you've got 68 dies in there. Inside here is a double A4 die set. So you've got all the dies in there. You've got Christmas trees in there. You've got a full numbering system in there. I'm just looking at the back of the packaging. You have got angels in there. You've got bunting. You've got a wreath in there as well. But the piece de resistance is the aspect of the Advent. Yeah, it's just look at these. They're beautiful, yeah? So you've got your different style houses, okay? So you can see that you've got your double fronts. You can do them as singles. Let's just grab that one. Hello. So you can do them as singles as well. You've got your single version. But then you can double your single version up to do your double version. So you could be building the whole town, yeah? Now, I've just been saying, this actually reminds me of Amsterdam. You know, when you're walking down the front there and you've got all those large places with all hooks coming out that you used to pull all the stuff off of the boats, the canal barges. Imagine little hooks coming out there. You could make them into warehouses, all the old warehouses as well. They're rather special. Absolutely gorgeous. But you can see that each one of these, get my finger inside. See if you can see. Each one has got its own box on the inside, yeah? So get your sweeties in there, use them as advent calendars. They are beautiful. You've got your Christmas trees in there as well. Now, we did an advent years gone by and people were making big long ones on plaques with, you know, all the snow going down the front, and they looked spectacular. I actually have one that I bring out every single year from all those years gone by. So this is gonna have to make a full one, aren't I? A new one to take over. They are beautiful. So join Alison and Leo at 12 o'clock, and don't forget, 4 of you have got the chance of winning those amazing goodie bags. Okay, so I'm going to see you later. Bye.